Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely detox water to detoxify your body. Very healthy. First I'm going to start off with cucumber, some slices of cucumber. Just going to set these aside. And I'll be using some lime. Go ahead, cut yourself some lime. Set that aside. I'll be using some orange. So I'll use about half of this. And I'm going to use some fresh mint. So we have some fresh mint here. And I'll be using some celery. So go ahead. These things, just wash them beforehand. Then what we're going to do, we're going to get a jar to put them in. So get yourself a jar. And what we're going to do, we're going to put all these fruits and veg in. It's very simple and easy to make. The leaves, you can break them up if you want. It's not going to make much difference anyway. It's personal preference. So get yourself some water and pour it straight over it. Just get yourself a spoon and give him a bit of stir. And what we're going to do now, we're going to leave this and let it sit, cover it and let it sit for about 2 hours. Then you consume it.
Good day, everyone. Ever wondered about the secret to a healthy, vibrant life? It's closer than you think. Enter the world of detox water, not just a refreshing beverage, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine a simple glass of water, now supercharged with nature's finest. Fruits, herbs, and spices. This isn't mere hydration, it's transformation. Detox water assists in weight loss, boosts metabolism, and enhances skin glow. Think about it, a zesty lemon and ginger concoction to kickstart your morning, or perhaps a cucumber mint refreshment to cool off your afternoon. By infusing water with these nutrient-rich ingredients, we're flushing out toxins, enhancing digestion, and promoting overall well-being. So here's a toast to health, to life, and to the magic elixir that is detox water. Remember, wellness is just a sip away.